Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the Haier air conditioner remote control. This is on-off button, and with its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. Below this button is the mode button, and with its help we can change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, fan, heating, and auto. Most air conditioner users use the cooling mode of the air conditioner. For this reason, we start by explaining this mode. We press the mode button, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, it is recommended to set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees. If you want your air conditioner to consume less energy, then keep the temperature between 24-25 degrees. This is the fan button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, auto. You can select low speed so that the fan sound does not disturb you in the bedroom. You can use the swing button to move the blind of the air conditioner or stop it in any position. Sometimes we set the temperature to 21-22 degrees Celsius when we lie down in our bed. This causes a cold. It is recommended to use sleep mode to prevent this. When the sleep button is pressed, a crescent and star symbol appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius after 2 hours, and again by 1 degree Celsius after a few hours. Therefore, this mode allows for a comfortable sleep mode. To exit sleep mode, you need to press the same button again. This button is used to raise the temperature of the air conditioner, and this button is used to lower it. There are other modes of the air conditioner. We press the mode button, and a water drop icon appears on the screen. This is a dry mode and use it to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again, a fan icon appears on the screen. This is the fan mode, and it is in this mode the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press the mode button again, and the sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. In this mode, it is useful to set the air conditioner fan speed to auto fan speed mode. So, in this case, the air conditioner fan speed will be regulated by the microprocessor, and therefore the air conditioner will work more efficiently. At the same time, the evaporator will only be covered with snow when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to this mode, press the fan button, and when the word auto appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to this mode. For the air conditioner's timer mode to work properly, we must first set the clock. For this, we press the clock button and see that the clock is flashing on the screen. With the help of these buttons, we set the clock and press the set to confirm. Here, either AM or PM appears on the screen. AM means before noon and PM means afternoon. Since our clock is set, we can now use the timer mode. If we want the air conditioner to turn on at, for example, PM 5, we press the timer button and use this button to set the timer and press the set button to confirm, like that. Timer button, PM 5, we press set to confirm. If we want the air conditioner to turn off at, for example, AM 4, we press the timer button again twice and set the timer off mode to AM 4 and press the set button. To exit the timer mode, you need to press the timer mode once. The help button in this air conditioner is for activating the ionizer. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button. The clock button on this air conditioner is to stop the buttons from working. The reset button is to reset the remote control to factory setting. Thank you for following us until the end.